Today I am going to explain about gas cylinders, the chemistry behind gas cylinders. So in gas cylinders, we all know that. So in gas cylinders, the LPG gas is used in the gas cylinders, right? So LPG is used in the gas cylinders. So LPG means the liquefied petroleum gas. Liquefied petroleum gas, right? So LPG means the liquefied petroleum gas. This gas is used in the gas cylinders, right? So this gas is used in the gas cylinders. So LPG is mixture of butane and propane. Butane and propane. It is a mixture of butane and propane. Buta means 4 carbons, right? So propane means 3 carbons. Here ane means alkane, that means single bond. Here alkane, that means single bond between carbon and carbon. Here propane, ane means alkane. Here also single bond between carbon and carbon. So butane, that means hydrocarbons, only hydrocarbons. Here propane, that means hydrocarbons, only hydrogen and carbon atoms are placed. Butane, that means 4 carbons, right? So carbon, carbon. Here also single bonds, only single bonds between carbon and carbon atoms, right? So here CH3, here also CH3, here CH2 and here CH2, right? This is butane. And here propane. Propane means, propa means 3 carbons only. So 3 carbons. And ane means alkane, that means single bond between carbon and carbon atoms, right? So here CH3, here also CH3, here CH2. This is the chemical formula of propane and this is the chemical formula of butane, right? So it is a mixture of butane and propane. LPG is a mixture of butane and propane. So butane is 70% and propane means 30%. It is a mixture of butane and propane, right? So butane 70% is placed in LPG gas and propane 30% placed in LPG. So LPG is used in homes, right? So in homes we are using LPG in cooking purpose and water heating. In cars also we are using in homes. So cars also. So LPG is used in cooking purpose and water heating and cars, and so many uses are there. So LPG is highly flammable. Highly flammable. That means flammable means it catch fire very easily. It catch fire very easily. And its ignition point means, so I have already told you in my last video ignition temperature. Ignition temperature of LPG is 410 to 500 degrees Celsius, right? Ignition temperature means at this temperature LPG catches fire and start burning. Ignition temperature means at this temperature LPG catches fire and start burning. So it is flammable substances, right? So it is very toxic. When we open the gas in the gas cylinders, we smells hard, right? When we open the gas in the gas cylinders, it smells very, very hard. So why? Because it's hard. Why? Because ethyl mercaptan is used. Ethyl mercaptan is used in the mixture of LPG. Used in mixture of LPG. Why? Because methyl mercaptan. Why we used ethyl mercaptan? Why? Because it is used to detect the leakage of cylinders, right? Leakage of cylinders. That's why it smells hot. It smells very hot. Why? Because in LPG, butane and propane is there. It does not smell hot because butane and propane are colorless and also odorless. So ethyl mercaptan is used in the mixture of LPG. It is used to detect the leakage of cylinders. When we open the gas in the gas stove, it smells very, very hard because ethyl mercaptan. It is used. Why? Because only purpose it is used to detect the leakage of cylinders. To detect the leakage of cylinders. To reduce the gas leakage problems, we use ethyl mercaptan simply. Whereas coming to the gas lighters, we all are using in the homes daily. Gas lighters. It works on the principle piezoelectric point. Piezoelectric principle. Piezoelectric principle. The gas cylinders, the gas lighters works on the piezoelectric principle. Gas lighters works on the piezoelectric principle. So what is this principle? This principle converts the conversion of mechanical stress into electrical signal. So conversion of mechanical stress into electrical signal. So the lighter of gas depends upon this concept. Conversion of mechanical stress into electrical. Consider it is an lighter. So in lighter, what is placed? Piezo electric crystal is placed inside, right? So piezoelectric crystal is placed inside the lighter. When we press the lighter here, this crystal releases some voltage, right? Releases some voltage, and this voltage is used to burn the gas in gas stoves, right? So in lighter piezoelectric crystal is placed inside. So when we press the lighter, there conversion of mechanical stress into electrical signal. That means when we press the lighter, then this crystal releases some electrical voltage, and this voltage is used to burn the gas in the gas stoves. That means LPG gas starts burning. This is the way the gas cylinder source works. Ethyl mercaptan is used for only one purpose. It used to detect the leakage of cylinders. Why? Because it smells very hot. That's why when we open the gas in the gas stove, we smells hot. Why? Because ethyl mercaptan. And in gas lighters, piezoelectric crystal is placed inside, and this crystal releases some voltage. This voltage is used to start burning the LPG gas. This is the chemistry behind gas cylinders. This is the chemistry behind gas cylinders. Thank you for watching.